Hello there, guys. It's Ohimi Samang once again, but you can call me Peach, PG or Peaches. It's my new nickname for I think for 5 years. I changed my nickname kasi basta it's a long story why I am not using my original nickname. So anyways, I'm gonna open a new topic with you guys to discuss here. It's really an eye opener for you. So it's 1:40 in the afternoon here in the Philippines. Hindi mainit. It is cloudy skies. So medyo malamig yung ambience here in Dasmariñas, Cavite. So I'm gonna open an issue or a topic about LDR. It's a long distance relationship. Do you think having a long distance relationship with someone will work out, or have you experienced that kind of relationship with someone? Ano kaya? How does it feel to have that kind of relationship? Well, we all have our own point of view about that. There are people na it's okay for them to have a relationship from different planets or from different places, 'di ba? Parang tipong miles away from you. Pero yung iba, they don't want to have that kind of relationship. Parang they want to have a relationship within their village or tipong kapitbahay lang or alam nyo, yung parang the next house beside them. So we all have our own different kinds of logical reasons for it. Ako kasi, I don't want to have a relationship here in our village. Why? For me, para kasing all of your secrets, yung mga bad images nyo ng family mo, parang they already know. 'Di ba? For me, kasi for some other family and for some other people, it's okay for them to have a relationship with someone that came from the place that they've been, or for example, ka-village mate, living in the same town or place. Parang for them, it's an advantage na parang for them it's really an easy way to check if your partner is loyal on you or not. Well, iba-iba naman kasi tayo. But during my high school, I had a long distance relationship. Pero kasi I wasn't that serious that time. But he was a nice guy in a way. We had a good friendship. So wholesome pa naman. I wasn't that serious. I wasn't that mature. And for me, it lasted for a couple of months. For a couple of months, he went to the province. So my first boyfriend, in Immaculate Conception. So it just started kasi I transferred from Manila, and then my adoptive parents, well, medyo we're not on good terms right now. So to make the story short, so I had a puppy love or boyfriend, not that serious. So magkaklase kami nung high school. And yeah, we had the same circle. And siguro before mag second year, his family transferred to the province and Iloilo. So our relationship became a long distance. Since nga bata pa ako noon, so we just, paano ba yung communication noon? Parang nagko-call ata nagko-call. So, pero wala pa tayong text that time. High school, I think beeper. May beeper na noon. And Magic Diary. Pero yung mga Nokia, remember guys, the first mobile phone na sumikat talaga in our generation, kung ka-generation nga kita, it's the Nokia cell phone na originated from Finland, 'di ba? Pero these days, we have so many different kinds of mobiles like Samsung. I'm using Samsung J8 right now. So parang, well, it's fine, pero may mga reklamo na rin ako. And yeah, may Oppo, may Vivo, may Real. There are so many brands na bahala ka nang pumili kung ano bang i-carry mo as an individual. Next, di ba, feeding artista, ano bang i-carry mong brand? So let's go back to the topic that we're talking about this afternoon, Delight with Himi. So long distance relationship. For some other people nga, they don't want it eh. Kasi for them nga, parang, what's the purpose of having a relationship with someone far away from you? You can't even touch or kiss the person, di ba? Tapos, hindi mo naman alam kung if that person will be faithful on you or not. And it's really difficult for you to figure out if your boyfriend or girlfriend will be faithful on you. Di ba? So, yun yung mga disadvantage. For me kasi, having a relationship with someone, it's about, trusting each other. Kasi sa akin, even if you are having a relationship beside your house or in the same town or inside your village, pwede pa rin mag-cheat eh. 'Di ba? There are a lot of ways to do things that you want to do. If you want to cheat on someone, alam mo, magagawa mo yun eh if that is your decision in life. 'Di ba? So, for me, pero yun lang, ang lungkot. Kasi parang it's just really weird. I had my first boyfriend in high school and then second, and then I met someone and then he went to the States, New Jersey. I wasn't that serious kasi bata pa ako, pero parang ang weird. Hindi nag-grow yung relationship ko. It's because, ang weird talaga. Lagi akong napupunta dun sa long distance relationship. And then, nung medyo nasa adult age na ako, around mga 30 plus, 20 plus, I met someone, yung mga work naman nila, it's just really funny. They need to go abroad. And of course, I'm just here in the Philippines. Dito lang ako. I'll just wait for them. And I don't know kung if they're faithful or not. So, like what I said, I don't believe on other people na sinasabing the long distance relationship will not work out. It will work out. It depends on how you handle each other. If you talk regularly, if you open your heart, just like what I said, having a heart-to-heart talk with someone, dun sa boyfriend mo, na sabihin mo na even if you are miles away from each other, if you really open or share your heart's content on him, that you love him, is that you are willing to do some sacrifices, like of course you can't touch him, you can't kiss him, you wanted to embrace the person but you can't. So kailangan there is a self-discipline, di ba? Yun. And yun nga, iba-iba kasi tayo eh. And for other people, kasi I met someone naman na babae, parang sister-in-law ko siya na hilaw dun sa ex ko. Nagkaroon siya ng relationship with someone. And sabi niya, I'm processing my papers right now. I'm going abroad to work. Sabi ko, that's really good. Pero sabi niya, it's just really sad. I met someone, we got along, and siguro magkasama kami dito in Manila for 4 months na. Then sabi ko sa kanya, so what's the problem with that? It's all up to you if you want to keep the relationship. Wala namang hindi naman hindrance yung distance if you love each other. Pero may sinabi sa akin, yung hilaw kong sister-in-law, it's just really weird, but I do respect her. Sabi niya kasi, in times of that you feel cold, di ba, hindi ka na makakapag-promise ng, na magiging faithful ka pa. And may mga situation daw na baka mag-guilty lang daw siya. It's just really weird in my part na, pero siguro nga, iba-iba tayo, di ba? It's just really, really weird. Siguro kasi, she will just go abroad to work. So parang iba siguro yung situation, but it's just weird for me. So I'm gonna take a pause and we'll just drink my coffee for a few seconds. So let me go back. So I am supporting everyone to have a long distance relationship as long as you can handle the relationship. Siyempre may mga responsibilities ka din na dapat gawin as partner ng tao, but it will not be an obstacle to stop the love that you are feeling or having for that person, for your boyfriend or girlfriend, kung magiging long distance relationship nga kayo. What else? Long distance love affair. It was really funny kasi from the previous years, super active ako sa mga social media. And then, I met a lot of different people on virtually. Dyan, sa mga Kumu, si Tag, it's a dating site. Cuddle Light is just voice. And ano pa ba? Ano pa ba yung mga dating site? Bigo or Bigo? And then I met this particular man, taga London daw siya or somewhere in Europe. And he's having a rough road with his wife. Diba? Parang, oops, pwede rin pala magkaroon ng long distance love affair. Pero hindi naman, I just offered him a good friendship. So, I became his friend for quite some time. So, I just said na probably you just need to talk to your wife and, you know, have some space and work it out. Pero of course, since naman, singit ko lang yung divorce bill natin here in the Philippines, it's already approved. I am not saying na I'm pro-divorce or pro ako sa annulment. But you know what, guys? Reality bites. It happens. It happened. And, you know, hindi mo naman yan may stop. So, napapalayo yung topic. Let's go back to the long-distance relationship. So, don't stop the love that you have for someone. If you think that you really love the person, you know, the distance, it's not a big deal. It will never be a big issue. It will never be a hindrance or issue for you to end the relationship. Diba? You know what? It's so difficult to find someone na masasabi mong, you're my better half. I think I'm seeing myself on you. I think I can grow old with you. And then it's because of the distance. Parang you will decide to end the relationship with someone. Parang it's just really sad, diba? Pero yun nga, iba-iba naman kasi tayo ng pananaw. For me naman, sa long distance relationship, sabi nga ng ibang friends ko, ayaw nila because they have needs. Like, if they want to kiss or hug their boyfriend. Or, hindi mo alam yan eh. Peach, you don't know if your boyfriend is faithful on you. Pwedeng pa-call-call yan. But then, he's holding hands with the other women there. Or, you know, he's having an affair or doing some sexual act with the other girls. So parang, ano yan? What's the point of still keeping that kind of relationship? Sabi ko naman dun sa friend ko, wala namang sinasabi kasi sa akin yung guy eh. As long as na hindi naman nag-open up yung boyfriend mo from afar, from a distance na, you know, I have someone new, then you can still keep the relationship and you need to believe on that relationship. Yun nga, diba? Love is like a gamble. It's like playing an casino. Hindi mo naman alam kung mananalo ka or hindi eh, diba? You should take a risk sometimes in life. If you don't take a risk and then you will leave on what ifs. Yun yung, bulol pa ako. Yun yung sinasabi ko in my previous video. I don't wanna leave on what ifs. Yung parang tipong, ano kaya kung ginawa ko to? What if I did that? What if I did tell him? What if I did say that particular, you know, issue to him? I asked him, and probably we're together right now. Yung tipong ganon, diba? It's okay to do things fairly. As long na fair ka, as long na alam mong, mahirap kasi magsisi eh. I don't wanna live with regrets. Mahirap yung, yun nga, living with what ifs. What if you did that? Diba? Gawin mo na if you can. So, don't hesitate to do or to ask someone na kung gusto mong maging ka-relationship or whatsoever, or anumang gusto mo sa buhay, I am supporting you because I am a friend here. Right? And for some of you na nagiging negative sa long-distance relationship, well, I respect your decision. Kung hindi mo kaya, then, well, just do it in a nice way. Break it to me gently. Just kidding. No, iba-iba kasi tayo eh. But, distance will not be an obstacle for you not to continue the love that you have for someone. It's just a reminder, right? Sabi nga nila in Tagalog, kahit pa yan mabundok o kahit anong gulo pa yan, hahawiin mong lahat, maangkin lang kita. So, yun, di ba? It's the same thing. So, iba-iba tayo. Long distance relationship can work out if you think that the love is really worth it. Pero for some other people, talagang totally wala na raw silang time and time to talk or time to communicate with each other. Parang nakatag na lang sila ng we're on a relationship, but in reality, it is really a reality bites. Hindi na talaga sila nag-uusap. So, it's a case by case. It's a case by case. But for me talaga, it will work out. It will always work out. Pero these days, syempre gusto ko yung makakasama ko na. I want to be with someone na I can be with every day. It's good to go out with someone or to do things na may kasama ka. So, that's my point of view in life. Yeah. So, I hope you guys, appreciate the topic that I opened for you this afternoon delight here in the Philippines. It's peachy. So, yeah, don't forget to keep on loving. Diba? Kahit ilang heartaches na yan, always pray. Always pray and ask for, that someone will come your way one day, someday, you'll meet the right one for you. And yeah, it's so difficult to find that particular person. But if you think na gusto mo siya or baka pwede kayo, don't hesitate to tell the person. Let them know that you like him, that you like her, and probably who knows. Diba? Kahit man hindi ka spoiled or hindi na ako spoiled, you can really open your hearts on someone in a good way. But just a friendly reminder, pag sinabi ng ayaw na niya or may relationship siya, of course, we need to respect that. So thank you so much and I hope you appreciate and I'm looking forward na sana ma-support nyo rin yung mga na-open kong topic dito. Thank you so much. So, yeah, I am pro long distance relationship. It's not a big deal. Thank you so much.